Hello everyone, welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add blank lines in Microsoft Word easily and correctly. Blank lines are commonly used in forms, applications, assignments, letters, agreements, exam paper, and official documents where user needs space to write or fill information. Many people simply press the enter key multiple times, but that often leads or formatting problems later. In this video, we will learn the right and professional way to insert blank lines that stay properly aligned and doesn't break when you edit this document. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here many text. Now I am add blank line here. Many people edit blank line many way. Now I go to the first way, go to the insert menu, select this shape, then select the line shape. Then draw the line perfectly, press and hold shift on our keyboard. We can see we perfectly draw this. You can change the color, go to this format menu and select this color. Now you can change the thickness of the shape and go to the style and change the thickness. We can see we added the blank line easily. Otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut key. Now I am press and hold the shift and press the underscore on our keyboard, and we can see we automatically added this blank line. I hope you understand this all process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.